Sometimes your hair can look a little damaged and dull, which means it needs a little extra treatment. And if you're worried that a visit to the salon will break the bank, then these cheap DIY hair treatments can work wonders for you. Milk and honey are two rich ingredients that when mixed create a powerful hair treatment. Put 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of honey into a spray bottle. Mist it onto your hair and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Then just shampoo like normally for shiny and smooth results. Rice water can make your hair healthier and even more beautiful. It contains vitamin E, amino acid, B vitamins, and minerals. Rinsing your hair with it will make it stronger, smoother, and shinier. Bananas are packed with potassium and helpful nutrients, which work wonders on your hair as well. As mentioned, bananas contain a mineral called silica, which can make your hair stronger and thicker. Make a mask by blending 2 ripe bananas and half a cup of coconut milk. Coat your hair in the mixture and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it off. Beer contains generous supplies of yeast and B vitamins, which work to plump tired hair. Apply to clean, damp hair, let sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. It will help strengthen your locks. To fight dandruff, create a ginger root scalp spritzer, as it has anti-inflammatory properties to soothe the scalp. You just have to finely grate half a ginger root into 2 cups of water and boil until it's 1 cup of tea. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil. Mist it directly onto your scalp, let dry, and shampoo out. Intensify vibrancy by rinsing your hair with cranberry juice. Kool-Aid also works. To warm up ashy blonde hair, substitute the cranberry juice rinse for chamomile tea or champagne. Take your regular deep conditioner and mix it in a blender with mayonnaise, coconut oil, honey, olive oil, and castor oil. Apply on damp hair and wash with lukewarm water. This will leave your hair feeling good. If you've noticed your hair looking a bit dull, then black tea is a great way to add some revitalized shine to it. Brew some black tea and let it sit until it's cooled off. Pour the tea onto your hair and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then just rinse it out and enjoy your shiny hair. Treat the scalp and strengthen the hair follicles by combining 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of honey, 3 drops of rosemary oil, and 3 drops of lavender oil. Apply onto clean, damp hair and massage into your scalp. Make a hair mask with eggs. The yolks, rich in fats and proteins, are naturally moisturizing, while the whites, which contain bacteria-eating enzymes, remove unwanted oils. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which typically hydrates hair, adds moisture, and helps prevent frizz. Leave it in your hair for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Mixing apple vinegar and peppermint oil is a natural yet effective way to deep clean the scalp. Shampoo hair as normal and skip the conditioner. Once your hair is towel-dried, gently massage the mixture all over your scalp. Allow it to sit for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Avocados are rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, biotin, and vitamins A and E, which is great for smoothing your hair. Mash up half an avocado and massage into clean, damp hair. Let sit for 15 minutes before rinsing with water. Try a lemon juice and olive oil mixture in your hair to relieve itchiness. Let the mixture sit for 20 minutes, then rinse and shampoo hair. This will make your hair shiny and moisturized. Hard water, sun overexposure, or even your flat iron can seriously dehydrate your hair. Luckily, nature's natural sweetener, honey, can help bring back some moisture. Massage about half a cup into clean, damp hair, let sit for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. It might be sticky, but the results are worth it. Olive oil is loaded with fatty acids to strengthen hair and antioxidants to help fight off impurities. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with half an avocado and a tablespoon of oil. Apply and rinse after 20 minutes. For those with curly hair, using butter is a great way to enhance your natural texture while adding moisture and shine. All you have to do is take a few spoonfuls of room temperature butter and rub it into your hair. Leave it for an hour and wash it off. Baking soda essentially helps break acids to remove excess oil and restore shine. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with small amounts of water until a thick paste forms. Massage into damp hair and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with water, then shampoo your hair. Avocados contain nutrients like fatty acids, amino acids, vitamin E, and biotin that revive the silky smooth texture and shine to your hair. The jojoba oil will neutralize pollutants that might be weakening the hair cuticle or messing with the health of your scalp. Give lifeless hair a boost with an oatmeal, milk, and almond oil hair mask. Combine half a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and half a cup of milk. Apply the mask all over the hair and leave for 20 to 40 minutes. Then wash as usual. A brown sugar and coconut oil hair mask can offer relief if you're suffering from an itchy scalp. The granules in the brown sugar will help to gently exfoliate the scalp, and the coconut oil can stimulate hair growth. Cold-pressed castor oil has amazing hair strengthening properties. Heat up 1 tablespoon of castor oil for about 10 seconds. Massage it into the scalp and down the hair shaft. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse well. Cornmeal or cornstarch is a great way to remove oil and grease. It's also a great source of iron. Just pour 1 tablespoon into an empty salt or pepper shaker and sprinkle onto dry hair and your scalp until you've used it all. After 10 minutes, use a paddle hairbrush to completely brush it out. If you've noticed your hair getting a little stiff, chances are there's too much product buildup. Combine apple vinegar and rosemary oil to rinse your hair, as this will give it some life back. If your hair has the tendency to get flaky, then you'll want to try this mask. Mix in all the ingredients, then leave it on your hair for 5 minutes before rinsing. It will exfoliate and moisturize your scalp while smelling delicious. Aloe vera gel and bananas contain nutrients, such as amino acids and silica, that smooth and weigh down hair for more control. Mix them all together to create a hair mask that will combat frizzy strands. The EGCG compound that's found in matcha may help slow hair loss, while rosemary essential oil promotes growth and thickness. After thoroughly blending the ingredients, apply the mask to dry or damp hair, from roots to ends. Leave it for 20 to 60 minutes before rinsing. Harsh styling products and air pollutants can make your hair really dull. Luckily, dairy products such as sour cream can help reverse this. Massage half a cup sour cream into damp hair and let sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, followed by cool water, then do your normal shampoo routine. Argan oil is wonderful for promoting growth and thickness in your hair. Apply it to your hair and leave it for 60 minutes before rinsing well with warm water.